here I drew out parts of the muscle. We'll first start off with how it starts. So here we have the bone, which here is a tendon. The first part of that is the fascia, which is this blue part here. And then we go down to the fascicles, which are the circular parts. And then we do have the fibers that are within the fascicles. Then as we zoom in, we now break it down. So the first layer of the muscle is called the epimysium, which has the fascia over that layer, but right underneath that is the epimysium. The epimysium surrounds the whole muscle under the fascia, and then we do go down into which would be the fascicle, brought that out. That layer that is covering the fascicle is called the perimysium. That, again, like I said, covers the fascicle. And then we have in the fascicle, those little dots there, those are the fiber, which is a muscle cell, and I did bring that out. That layer that is covering the fiber is called the endomysium. So the connective tissues for the part of the muscle is the epimysium, the perimysium, and then the endomysium there. And then as we break it down here, we have the fascia, and then we have the whole muscle, which is the epimysium, the fascicles, the perimysium, and then the fibers are the endomysium. And then in the mysium, we'll break down to the myofibrils and the myofilaments. Now to go over parts of the sarcomere, where we have the actin and the myosin. The actin are the lighter, thinner lines, and then we have the myosin, which are thicker lines and that are longer. Now the ends of the sarcomere are called the Z lines, and then we do have the thinner lines that we had mentioned previously, which is the actin. That portion there is called the I band, and then we go down here below. So the middle part of the sarcomere is called the A band, which is mainly part of the myosin, and then the part where only has the myosin is called the H zone, and then the H zone, if you can kind of see it there, I made it better here. It does kind of have a lighter portion in between, and then there is a line in the center that is called the M line. The sarcomere runs, like I mentioned, from Z line to Z line. And then what the sarcomere is, it's the part of that contracts the muscle. And here I kind of broke down here what it means down below. Lighter lines are the actin, myosin. The center part is the H zone with the middle center there, the M line.